So as you can see, tape deck is off. No weird sound. We'll turn it on. Give it a sec. And there it is. And as you can see, it's just coming from the left channel. It'll pop every once in a while. And like, you can see the piano keys, no, but it's not playing. It'll still do this while it's playing, while it's not playing, while it's recording, anything. It's just always doing that. And I can confirm if I change the balance all the way to the right, sound goes away. All the way to the left, obviously it's back. No idea. And I've tried different receivers. Still does the same thing. Yeah, no idea. Any ideas? Would love to get this fixed.